Hey Madeline, if you can just quickly check this for us, we noticed in the BAM 100 course, for some reason, week 1 and 2 was set to open on weird days. So you can see week 2 here. It says from available from September 3rd, which obviously is not correct because week 2 would probably be the around the 6th. So if you can check and make sure all of these say what they should be, and then if it is incorrect, the way to fix it would be to scroll down and click on edit section as if you were editing the content, not the actual assignments or discussions. Just button that says edit section. And you would go up here where it says restrict access and make sure that these dates are set correctly. So we want this one to be July 6th at 00:05. And then you would just hit save changes. So again, July 6th, 2020 at basically 12:05 in the morning, save changes. And if you can just do that for all the courses and just make sure everything's set up. I think this is hopefully just a one-off, but just in case, can you just double check me? Thank you so much.